Hello YouTube, it's your boy the Crazy Trader, and I'm here again with your favorite stock review. Hey guys, today I'm not going to do a review because I was actually supposed to do a review, but there's this worrying trend that is going on that I actually want to address, and the ticker symbol that I really want to talk about is Lucid Group. Okay, so today I've always spoken about Lucid positively, and most of the people who are close to me, I've encouraged them to buy the stock that is of Lucid. I started talking about it when it was CCIV. So someone came up to me and was like, hey, Lucid is an SEC investigation, and this guy is saying it's a fraudulent company. And they actually showed me a video of someone bashing Lucid for getting an SEC investigation, and they think that the company is fraud. And I'm like, really? And they had the guts to compare Lucid to Nikola. First of all, Nikola hasn't produced one single car on the market. They haven't produced one single car. Lucid they have cars in Chicago, they have cars in Florida, they have cars in California, they have cars littered all over America, all over the United States of America, okay? And they have cars in the United Arab Emirates. As I'm speaking to you now, there's a showroom in the UAE that is displaying a Lucid car, and they are hoping to make deliveries out there. I don't know if they've already done the deliveries yet. But it's so sad that a person with so much followers on YouTube would actually deliberately misinform his or her followers. Because I don't want to mention names. I saw the person's name. They have a lot of followers. And I want just a few of you who are watching the video, whether it's 100, because I don't have 1,000 followers. And if you're not a follower, follow me, because I give some good information. If you're watching this, I want you to be highly informed. Don't just watch YouTube videos. Don't just watch me and think I'm giving the best information. Just also do some research into it, because it's sad that a lot of people watch that video of the guy calling Lucid fraudulent because they went under an SEC investigation. SEC investigation doesn't make a company fraudulent. That's sad for someone to assume, okay? If a company goes under SEC investigation, you, the investor, should be very happy, because they do that to protect you as an investor. If the company is fraudulent, you, the investor, you are going to find out early before even a lot of people find out. So it's very good for even a company to go under SEC evaluation, because when they come out, that means you know that they came out well, and they've looked through the company, and the company is doing well. Now let me deviate a little bit from when it comes to Lucid's subpoena from the SEC. So you are telling me Lucid is a fraudulent company because the SEC investigated Lucid. Okay, now let me read you a headline. Tesla is under SEC investigation over how it handled fire risk with its solar power systems. Is Tesla fraudulent too? Tesla was under SEC investigation, I think 2 or 3 years ago, from when Elon Musk said they were taking the company private. Are they fraudulent? Now let's go to some of the biggest companies that you guys have ever heard of. Okay, the U.S. Department of Justice, the DOJ, and the SEC are investigating how Apple handled throttling of aging iPhone batteries. This is in 2018. Are you telling me Apple, which is almost $1 trillion company, is fraudulent because the Department of Justice and the SEC investigated them? Microsoft faces investigation by SEC over its accounting. Are you telling me Microsoft is also a fraudulent company because they went under SEC? But are you freaking kidding me? And I mean, you should know the reason why these people went under SEC evaluation, why they were subpoenaed by the SEC. This is so sad that people are believing information like this. If you're watching this, listen to me. The SEC investigation that is going on with Lucid doesn't mean the company is fraudulent, okay? It has to deal with the SPAC measure that happened between CCIV and Ativo. That is, I mean, the former name of Lucid. It has to do with that, the SPAC measure, and there's a few irregularities here and there. It doesn't affect the company. It doesn't affect their manufacturing, their manufacturing. It doesn't affect their marketing. It doesn't affect their. It's just, investor fears. That's what fear and panic. That's what you guys are witnessing, and that's all. Don't go and watch a YouTube video and believe that the company is fraudulent because they're under SEC. The biggest of companies go under SEC investigations, and they come out unscathed. Lucid has $4.8 billion in cash sitting down. Are you kidding me? And that's fraudulent for you? There are a lot of funds and hedge funds that have not invested in Lucid, and before they invest in it, they will investigate the company. Are you telling me they are fraudulent? Come on, go sit on the sidelines if you don't have anything to say. Lucid is not fraudulent. Lucid is a great company. Lucid will do so well. And before I even read about the subpoena, let me show you something. And I don't know why some people just lack common sense. I'm so pissed off today because I just saw that video and it has so many views and people were commenting under. Okay, look at last week of Lucid. Lucid was down 17% last week. That you might be saying, oh, this is very steep. Okay, and in the past month it's been down 1.59. And okay, yeah, in the past month it didn't do well. Now watch this. In the past 3 months, Lucid is up 110%. When I did a review about Lucid, it was around 23, 24. That's when I did a review about Lucid. Lucid is up 110% in the past 3 months. Look at this. At the point in time, it was up 178%. Stocks don't always go up. And even without an SEC investigation, Lucid would have corrected anyways. It would have come down to a level and then consolidated before moving up again. You should know this by now. If you're trading stock, if you're investing in stock, you should know that when a stock goes up, it comes down and consolidates and goes back up. And so without even the SEC investigation, this trend is guaranteed to happen. So don't go listen to any idiots giving you some stupid information, okay? And let's go read why they got investigated. Okay, so this is the headline. You can find it online. You can read more into it. This is just one article that I picked online. EV maker Lucid gets SEC. Oh, where is it? EV maker Lucid gets SEC subpoena on 24 billion blank check deal. I'm not going to read all of it because I don't want to make the video too long. So the U.S. securities regulator has asked Lucid Group for documents related to an investigation into its blank check deal, joining a group of lists of companies that have come under scrutiny from the merger with shell entities. Okay, so I will go. The investigation appears, listen to this, the investigation appears to concern the business combination between the company Churchill Capital Corp, this is CCIV, and Ativa Inc., and certain projections and statements. That's all the investigation is about, okay? It's not about how fraudulent the company is or whatever they do. I mean, that's Lucid said in the regulatory filing. So it's not a big deal, okay? This thing is not going to tank Lucid. This thing is not going to, this subpoena is not going to halt production. This subpoena is not going to halt marketing. As of now, they are delivering results, and we are hoping that by the end of the year, they would have delivered their 520 cars that they want to do and be on the verge of delivering that 22,000 cars that they want to do in a year. Anyways, there's so much information online that you can go and look for. Don't let me do all this for you. I'm just pissed. That's what I'm talking about. I'm letting out some steam, okay? Anyways, like I always say, scared money don't make no money, and you always gotta risk it to get the biscuit. I'm out of your hair. Stay safe, stay blessed, and peace.